Yeah, hello. The point of this video is to give a quick walkthrough of how the salary platform works. So typically, everything starts from your wallet. You're able to see the different wallets you have. So you have a fiat wallet, you have a USD wallet. So to fund your USD wallet, you can just come here and you can get to fund it from here with USDT or USDC. So once you have funded this wallet, the balance will appear here. Now, the next thing is looking at employees. So you can onboard employees and manage your employees from here. So typically, once you onboard the employees, you say for this particular employee, you can view an employee details. You can confirm their payment method, which is how they get paid. You see that they have their addresses configured, everything all nicely done, right? Now the next thing is to look at creating payments. Now to create a payment, so you just click on create payment. So you select the pay cycle. Once you create a pay cycle, you select the wallet that I showed you before. Once you select the wallet, you click on continue. Now you could see that the total payable amount is here and the list of employees that need to be paid are nicely kept here and shown here. So you click on create payment. Now it creates the payment schedule and puts it in the draft state. So at this state, it requires approval, which means that you just have to go here, approve, and now input your PIN. Once you input your PIN, you save it. Once you save it, you approve it. So the transaction now start processing. So you will see that it's all in pending state now. So you will see that shortly the transaction will begin to come through. So let's see. So let's refresh again. So you can see that this particular transaction. So I'll just quickly go and get it. So let me quickly get the transaction for this. Okay, when I get this, I want to get the uh, transaction just to show the confirmation of it. So I'll come here, just a moment. So let me come to this. So you can see that I'll paste in this. So you can see that the transaction was successful. This amount matches this amount, right? So I'll refresh. The other ones are still processing. So I keep refreshing. So they're still processing. Okay, the next one has been completed. So we're waiting for the next one, which is the last one to be processed. Right? So college hiring has been processed. Nextly, so we're waiting for the last one to be processed. So while waiting for the last one to be processed, let me also paste in the confirmation for this. So you could see this $2.08. So you could see that this is it, it matches this. So you could also refresh. This is still processing. Right? So just to confirm. So nice. So you see the last one has probably been processed. So everything has been processed here. So all talents will get notifications and that they have been paid and everything will be nicely settled and settlement. Everything will happen nicely. Yeah. Thank you for watching this. Cheers.